Hello. Let's see how to create multiple windows with tkinter as simply as we can. We import tkinter as tk. Let's save the file. To create a window we give it a name root. And we use the tk class. Then, we use the method geometry to give it a bigger size. Let's also give the window a title to distinguish it from the others. Okay. Let's add a widget. A text area using the class text. Root. The name of the main window will be the first argument, because the widget belongs to main window. With the pack method we make the text widget visible. You see that you can write in it. Now, let's create the top level window, called TL1, on top of the main one. We use the Toplevel class to create it. The first argument in the parenthesis is root. Here they are. We give it a different title from the main one. Here they are. Now we can create another top-level window called TL2 like we did for TL1. Here they are. Let's add a button to the TL1 window. The first argument is TL1, to which the button belongs. Then we got the text that will appear on the button. And then the command, i.e. the action triggered by the click of the button. We use a lambda function. But we also use regular functions. That writes something in the text widget of the main window. With the method insert. Here they are. Let's add a bigger font to the text area so that we can see the text better. That is how to make multiple windows in tkinter. In the easiest way. Thank you for your attention and to the next video. If you got anything to ask, write it in the comment. I'll be glad to solve any curiosity with a new video. Bye.